Good morning, Mr. Davis. What a lovely day.
Good morning, Sarah. It really is beautiful, isn't it? Perfect for being outdoors.
Absolutely. Perfect weather for gardening. Are you out for your morning walk?
Yes, just enjoying the fresh air before it gets too hot. My usual route around the block.
That's nice. It's supposed to be warm all week, I heard on the news this morning.
Oh, that's good news. My roses always need a lot of sun to keep blooming beautifully, so I'm happy.
They're looking incredible, Mr. Davis. I saw them yesterday, so vibrant and full of color.
Thank you, Sarah. I spend a lot of time on them, you know? It's a real passion of mine. Very relaxing.
It certainly shows. My little tomato plants are finally growing too. Very exciting for a beginner gardener.
That's wonderful. Fresh, homegrown tomatoes are absolutely the best. Nothing compares to the taste.
I hope so. It's my first time trying to grow them from seed, so fingers crossed for a good harvest.
Don't worry, you'll do great. Just give them plenty of water and sun, and a little love, of course.
I will. Thanks for the tip. That's very helpful. Do you have any other gardening projects planned for this season?
Actually, I'm thinking of planting some new herbs next week. Always nice to have fresh herbs for cooking.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Fresh basil and mint are my favorites.
Mine too, and parsley. Well, are you heading to the market today by any chance?
Yes, I need to pick up some fresh bread for lunch, and I'm hoping to find some nice cheese to go with it, perhaps a sharp cheddar.
Sounds delicious. I might go later for some fruit myself if I finish my chores around the house first.
They had lovely fresh peaches last time I was there, really sweet and juicy. You should try them.
Oh, good to know. I'll definitely look for them then. Thank you for the recommendation, Sarah.
You're welcome. Hope you find everything you need.
Thanks. Well, I better get going before the crowds start building up at the market. Have a wonderful day.
Of course. You too, Mr. Davis. Enjoy your day and your market trip. See you around the neighborhood.
I will. Take care, Sarah.
You too.